Let me ask you this. Do you really know BPM? Really know? Can you explain it to your CEO, the Harvard MBA, the computer geek, CTO? Or can you explain it to the sales guru? Well, we can help you. Want to see how?
This presentation should be used by people wanting to know more about BPM and not having enough time to divulge over the details of it. During this presentation, the introduction to business process management, why did business process management came about, which disciplines is BPM based on, what is the IT platform associated with the business process management methodology, the IT's new role in the BPM organization. IT BPM platform be able to adapt constantly in what at M2M says we call the perpetual state of change. There is nonetheless hope, and organizations can now turn to business process management. Walmart as the king of business process management. They've been doing this for the longest of times, even before it was called business process management. It ranges from business science, system theory, quality management, modeling, business process redesign, mathematics, and service-oriented architecture. Not all processes are the same. Transparency, process refinement, I think it's also very relevant, is the path towards real-time. We have this concept of a process that has been written on a specific language, and then IT has created a platform which we'll call the process virtual machine that is able to translate process language into a language the computer can understand. What is a business process language? An example. And here we have an example of a business process. We have a customer that logs into the internet. You know which partners, variables, handlers, correlation sets, and then a series of activities. The business process managed languages run on what we call business process management platform. The other applications through the enterprise service bus and through so to the BPM committee that then is responsible to translate that strategy into the process that is given to the IT department that deploys to the BPM. Huge agglutination of servers and applications. So you have definition and modeling through Visio, deployment to .NET, management through SCOM, tracking of this. The result of the interaction is going to be an acknowledgement sent to user that goes over the coding, assembling, and pre-assembling, goes through the transmit adapter, and finally gets to the user.